My name is Nick Shoemaker. I am a lead excavator for the Eco Plumbers. I've been here approximately 2.5 years. A short summary of what I do, basically, number one thing is to make sure everybody goes home safe. And next, we take care of the customer as much as we can every day. Really the main thing I love is about my job is the fact that I get to play in the dirt and get paid to play in the dirt every day. If you're new and you've never been in this field before and you want to start, learn as much as you can from the people around you.